Okay. YouTube, can you help me with a problem? Any tech experts out there? I'm trying to fix an Xbox for a friend, but when I unplug this cable, this light will go orange. This light here, as it normally does. I know that they go orange when they are not connected to anything, but when I connect it back up, it will blink white really quickly, then go back to orange, and it does the same when I try and pair it on. But when I put my finger on these pins here, like if I put my finger across like that, I hold it on them, and when I plug this back in, it will stay white and it will let me pair it on. So can you let me know in the comments what it could be? Thanks for your help.